Man, what's up, y'all? We back at it with another video, and today we about to show y'all how to cut open a watermelon the hood way, you feel me? And y'all do not try this at home. We are absolute professionals. We went to school. We're like mad scientists. This is for professional use only, and we are highly qualified professionals, so yeah. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me get some of that. Oh, that's sweet.
I ain't gonna lie.
That's not too bad.
Is this nigga really?
This is for my 18-year and older viewers right there. You was upside down, nigga.
Was I?
It's about to go down. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, shit. Damn.